Hello there, and this week we're going to take a look at some beef cattle versus dairy cattle. The in-person lab this week is beef jerky, which is exciting stuff. So let's open up our slide deck for the day. So there's a few websites that you can use for this activity. The first one goes through the differences between beef and dairy, and then the second one is breeds of dairy cattle, and then the last one is all cattle breeds, which includes both beef and dairy. So go ahead and do a little research, and then basically you're going to type in these little yellow boxes here. There we go. Whether or not it's whoops. There we go. Whether or not it is beef, dairy, or both. Okay. So just go ahead and type there. Finish that one up, and then there's a few breeds. So you're going to take a look, and this is where the second two come in handy. And you're going to insert a picture of this breed. So the Angus is the first one. You're going to look that one up. You're going to insert a picture of the breed in the green arrow. And then you're going to type in the squares. Whether it's a beef or a dairy breed, some of the characteristics, where does it come from? All right, so you got 6 different beef and dairy breeds that you're going to do that with. And then go ahead and submit. And you're done. Have a fantastic day.